Ian McAllister, a renowned conservationist, filmmaker, and author, stands at the forefront of wildlife protection. Focused on the Great Bear Rainforest, he has dedicated his life to preserving British Columbia's natural heritage. Through his groundbreaking research, advocacy, and co-founding of Pacific Wild, McAllister has become a leader in efforts to safeguard biodiversity and protect endangered habitats. His unwavering commitment inspires others to join the mission to defend our planet's ecosystems. Understanding ecosystem fragility. Ecosystems are intricate networks where each organism plays a vital role in maintaining balance. This interconnectedness highlights the importance of biodiversity, which supports ecological resilience and services like clean air, water, and food. Ecosystems are delicate webs of life, McAllister explains. Each species plays a crucial role, and disturbing this balance can have far-reaching consequences we may not fully understand. The loss of even a single species can disrupt food webs and harm the health of entire ecosystems. Recognizing these interconnections emphasizes the urgency of conservation efforts to protect biodiversity and ensure the planet's long-term health. McAllister's work unravels the complexity of ecosystems, showcasing their vulnerability while inspiring action to preserve them. By studying, documenting, and sharing the beauty of nature, we can better appreciate its inherent value and take meaningful steps toward protection, he says. Advocating for wildlife. Human activity, including habitat destruction and climate change, has accelerated biodiversity loss. McAllister believes we have a moral obligation to safeguard the natural world for future generations. As stewards of the earth, we must ensure the survival of the species we share it with, he says. Through Pacific Wild, McAllister amplifies the voices of endangered species, fights against habitat destruction, and promotes sustainable practices. Advocacy efforts, combined with public engagement, visual storytelling, and policy initiatives, aim to inspire collective action to protect marine and terrestrial ecosystems. Advocacy and education are vital in mobilizing society and fostering change, McAllister adds. Promoting sustainable living. Sustainable living is essential to addressing environmental challenges. McAllister encourages individuals and communities to adopt eco-friendly practices like reducing waste, conserving energy, and supporting sustainable businesses. Every conscious choice we make in our daily lives can help minimize our ecological footprint and contribute to a healthier planet, he says. McAllister also emphasizes the importance of education and accountability. Supporting indigenous-led conservation efforts, demanding science-based policies, and raising awareness are all critical steps in reversing biodiversity loss. Conservation is a collective responsibility that requires active participation from individuals, communities, and governments, he notes. By fostering a culture of environmental responsibility, sustainable living practices can inspire positive change and ensure the planet's resilience for future generations. About Ian McAllister. Ian McAllister's dedication to wildlife protection has earned him recognition as a leading advocate for conservation. His tireless efforts have highlighted the fragility of British Columbia's marine and rainforest ecosystems, drawing global attention to their protection. As co-founder of Pacific Wild, McAllister has worked to defend endangered species and habitats through education, advocacy, and storytelling. His award-winning films, books, and photography showcase the beauty of nature, inspiring others to join the mission to protect wildlife. Through his lifelong work, Ian McAllister continues to lead efforts to preserve biodiversity and foster a sustainable future for the planet.